Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, and it offers a variety of ways to make money. From selling products using Amazon's FBA service to publishing your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing, there are many ways to earn extra income. In this video, we will explore 10 reliable ways to make money on Amazon. The video is going to be exciting and valuable, so subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start. Number 10. Sell a service. Selling or advertising products is not the only way to earn money on Amazon. If you have a service to offer, you can also make a good income by connecting with clients through Amazon. Whether you tutor musical instruments or a school subject, Amazon can help you find clients without charging advertising or startup fees, and there is no monthly subscription. All you need is general liability insurance with a $1 million occurrence cap and a cleared business background check. Services provided to homeowners also need background screening. The share of revenue that goes to Amazon depends on the service you provide and how much you make. If you don't want to deal with advertising your services or creating a website by yourself, Amazon can help you with that. Number 9. Be a wholesale seller. Amazon's network of wholesale sellers allows it to offer competitive prices for the products that most people and businesses need. Wholesale sellers purchase products at a discount because they buy in large quantities, which enables them to sell those products at the most affordable prices possible on Amazon. This is a highly competitive industry where wholesale sellers outcompete each other with the lowest possible bottom-line prices. However, you may not be able to make a significant income unless you have your own warehouse space to store products so that you won't have to rely entirely on the FBA program and storing products in Amazon's warehouse. Number 8. Fulfillment by Amazon. The Amazon FBA program is an excellent way to make money on Amazon without worrying about shipping or customer support. Your products are stored in an Amazon warehouse, where they can be sold on the Amazon marketplace without you having to do anything once the products are shipped. Amazon Prime takes advantage of this program to get products to customers faster. As an Amazon FBA seller, you will be charged by units, depending on weight and size. You also pay a monthly storage fee if your inventory does not sell. Depending on what you have to sell, an Amazon FBA business might be a much better option for you than direct selling on Amazon. Number 7. Amazon Influencers. Amazon Influencers is a unique affiliate program that differs from Amazon Associates. It allows you to promote products on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. If you have a strong social media following, the Amazon Influencer program may be the right choice for you. Approved influencers receive a unique URL on their own Amazon page to showcase the products they recommend to their followers. Whenever your followers purchase one of those products, you'll earn a commission. The key is to identify which products each audience member might be interested in and market them accordingly. Number 6. Amazon Merch. Amazon Merch is a platform that allows you to sell your designs on various products such as t-shirts, hoodies, and more. You don't need to be an expert artist or designer to make money on this platform, but it's essential to stay up to date with cultural trends and have basic design software. You won't have to pay anything to sell your merchandise on Amazon, as Amazon takes responsibility for printing, shipping, packaging, and supporting the customer. All you need to do is create your account, upload your design and price, and write your description and color. You get a royalty on every design that you sell. Your earnings depend on how much the product sells for and how much it costs at Amazon to sell it. Number 5. Kindle Direct Publishing. If you're a writer or have access to a team of writers, you can publish your work on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform without the need for a publishing house. You can earn up to 70% of royalties on overall sales, and you're not limited to just digital Kindle book options on this platform. Hard copies can also be printed. Prolific writing is key to making money in this area. A couple of bestsellers will do wonders, but you really need to create a steady stream of content to succeed in Kindle publishing. Furthermore, your work will need to sell itself, or you'll have to handle all marketing since there's no agent or publisher to help you get the word out. Number 4. Amazon's Trade-in Program. While you may not be able to earn cash with the Amazon Trade-in Program, you can receive Amazon gift cards. Since Amazon offers a wide range of products, these gift cards are as good as money to most people. This can be an excellent way to earn some extra money by keeping an eye out for used items at local garage sales or anywhere you can find them for very low prices. You can receive up to 25% of the product's original retail price as credit. Amazon tends to be selective about what they accept, so you'll probably get better at it as you participate. Niche items or those with fewer suppliers are often in higher demand, and luckily, these are just the sort of items you may be able to find very affordably at a garage sale or on eBay. Number 3. Affiliate Marketing. One of the easiest ways to make money on Amazon without selling anything yourself is by becoming an Amazon affiliate. Amazon Associates, the company's affiliate program, is a giant in the Amazon money-making world. If you have an online presence, whether it's through a website, blog, or as a community moderator, you can make money as an Amazon affiliate. All you need to do is recommend products on Amazon in a product category that appeals to your audience. If your audience follows the affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Generally, between 4% and 10% of the product's purchase price goes to the Amazon affiliate. Being part of the Amazon affiliate program is incredibly easy and can be highly lucrative. Number 2. Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you're looking for a simple way to earn a couple of extra bucks on the side without having to start a big project, attract an audience, or sell anything, the Mechanical Turk project might be right for you. This program lets you become one of the remote workers in Amazon's vast army with few initial investments. Your tasks can involve participating in surveys and moderating and validating content. It's not a way to get rich fast, but you might make as much as $15 an hour or more, and you can easily fit these tasks in around your other pursuits. Number 1. Amazon Handmade. Amazon Handmade is a platform where you can sell quality handmade goods such as clothing, jewelry, accessories, art, and more. Amazon Handmade provides you with a custom URL that makes it easier for your customers to find your shop. Amazon makes things more convenient and affordable for handmade sellers than for other selling accounts. While you'd have to pay $39.99 a month for a professional selling account, this fee is waived for handmade sellers. You only need to pay a 15% referral fee on your total sales price. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.